Attention subscribers, please make sure that you're still subscribed to my channel. I suspect YouTube is deleting my subscribers without their knowledge. Whee! There's a Buxton Fox and a 1930 Upmobile. There's a Wanton Female and a 1940 Supercharged Willys. There's a voluptuous damsel with a 1950 Chevrolet Custom pickup. As a disabled senior citizen and a U.S. veteran, I've been producing videos for several years now for free. YouTube continues to refuse to pay me for my work. If you like my videos and want me to continue creating them, please donate $1 cash or more and send it to the address listed. Please no checks. Thank you for your support. There's a Busty Dame in a 1960 Buick Electra 225 Custom Convertible. Wowzer! There's a Foxy Lady and a 1970 Olds 442 W30. Please don't forget to donate. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. That's the end of the show. I hope you liked it. Have a good day.